In this video I would like to show you the automatic arrangement of luminaires in DIALux Evo. As you can see here, I have already selected one luminaire which I would like to use now. There you can find all the photometric data and above the arrangements. And the last arrangement is here, the automatic arrangement for spaces. You can insert the luminaires with the button in the 3D view, or just go one step back in the 2D view. Just press the button again. And there you can find now that DIALux Evo has chosen 12 luminaires because of the estimate calculator. There you can find, in my situation, the target is 500 lux because my utilization profile in this project has this target. Let's go into the spaces to see my utilization profile. There, under conference room, you can see I need to have 500 lux on my working plane in the height of 0.8. Let's go back to the luminaire tool. Yeah, now no luminaire is selected. That's the reason why you can't see here the 12 luminaires. I select the luminaire arrangement with one click directly on the luminaire, and with a second click you can select just a single luminaire within this luminaire arrangement. And the third click again, you have again the properties of the luminaire arrangement, as you can see here. Here you can see it's the placement according to the quantity, and in the x-axis you have 4 luminaires and in the y-axis 3 luminaires. They are symmetrical inside. I would like to change here the numbers into 3 by 4. It fits just better into my room, and with enter I have confirmed this selection. And you can find now here the red lines and the green lines. They are interrupted because they are not yet fixed. But if you just move here one line, for example to have these 2 luminaires symmetrical to the walls, then the line is now solid. And that's because this line is locked now. I can show you this also with a right mouse button. There it's now locked, and you can unlock it again. You just click to unlock it. Again, if you move it, then it will be locked. So you can move here also this line. You can see the others were flexible.
Why settle for free content only? Have a look at our complete course DIALux Evo for interior lighting and improve your skills.
Let's have a look here to the other properties. There under positioning you can find the position of your arrangement, and with a click there you can see exactly in the 2D view the x and y coordinates. Under rotation you can rotate the arrangement or each luminaire around the x-axis, for example, or the z-axis. This is also possible here with these 2 buttons, as you can see there. And here with this button rotate function you can rotate the total arrangement again. Under the photometric data you can find again all properties of your luminaire and your fitting, the connected load, and under the mounting type you can find that this is a ceiling recessed luminaire which was defined by the manufacturer as this, and the mounting height of 2.6 meters. The light center height is the distance between the light output to the working plane. You can see this also in the side view. There, for example, it's this distance there. Let's have a look again into the 3D view and select perhaps one luminaire. Because there, now you can see here, the light visualization is already on because I've displayed here in the display options the light visualization and the show light distribution curve. After the calculation, you can find the results. So, everything is fine.